Former Sizokhuthola Host Xolani Khumalo will be helping residents of Davidton and Etwata to fight crime. Residents in these two Ekurhuleni counties have formed a neighborhood crime watch to combat crime in their areas. However, they say the crime in these areas is so out of control, so they invited Xolani to grace their occasion. Last Friday, the 18th of October, they held prayers at Etwata sports complex asking God to intervene. Prayer organizers Busisi Wentuli said that given the high rate of GBV killings and kidnappings, hijackings, house robberies, nyalpe and car accidents in the two areas, she had to organize a day where different church leaders would come together to pray for Etwatwa and Davidton. There's too much crime here. It happens day and night. We invite the Holy Spirit to rain down. We ask God to lessen His wrath and have mercy on us, said Busisiwe. Residents invited Xolani to help them fight crime. Xolani, who works hand in hand with crime fighting groups, Ekasi, called Ekasi Crime Alert, addressed residents and said Gogos are more afraid of their kids than never. They are also afraid that when they die, their houses will turn into drug dens. Their houses could also be sold for drugs for as cheap as 5,000 rands. We need to stand up and fight crimes and not rely on the police, he said. Pastor Moses Ngumzulu said he appreciates all the pastors who came to honor the day. We know God's listening and He will answer. We ask Him to bring peace and prosperities to our two townships, he said. Resident at Gamutaung said they live in fear. Last week they broke into my neighbor's house and stole all the valuables. It's scary because these Tutsis are watching us and planning to rob us, and we are not aware. We really need God to intervene. This is too much. Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section.